In front of me is Honor Power, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for the pop-up to show up. When it does, select Remove. Then confirm your choice in the second one. As you can see, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you want to add another widget or restore your search bar, you need to pinch your device's display and tap on cards at the bottom left corner. Now you can either pick one of those right away by holding it and dragging it to the proper place, then tapping on Home button. Or you can scroll all the way down to tap on Classic Widgets or one of those apps. Then pick a widget, hold it, drag it, and last but not least, let go and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!